Hi, kids. Today, we're going to learn all about bricklayer tools. Bricklayers are people who build walls, houses, and other structures using bricks and cement. They use special tools to lay bricks in neat rows, spread cement, and make sure everything is straight and strong. Let's learn about some common bricklayer tools. Trowel.
T-R-O-W-E-L. Trowel.
Brick hammer.
B-R-I-C-K-H-A-M-M-E-R. Brick hammer.
Spirit level.
S-P-I-R-I-T-L-E-V-E-L. Spirit level.
Brick chisel.
B-R-I-C-K-C-H-I-S-E-L. Brick chisel.
Line and pins.
L-I-N-E-A-N-D-P-I-N-S. Line and pins.
Mortar board.
M-O-R-T-A-R-B-O-A-R-D. Mortar board.
Joint raker.
J-O-I-N-T-R-A-K-E-R. Joint raker.
Mixing hoe.
M-I-X-I-N-G-H-O-E. Mixing hoe.
Wheelbarrow.
W-H-E-E-L-B-A-R-R-O-W. Wheelbarrow.
Tape measure.
T-A-P-E-M-E-A-S-U-R-E. Tape measure.
Bucket.
B-U-C-K-E-T. Bucket.
Safety gloves.
S-A-F-E-T-Y-G-L-O-V-E-S. Safety gloves.
Brick tongs.
B-R-I-C-K-T-O-N-G-S. Brick tongs.
Corner blocks.
C-O-R-N-E-R-B-L-O-C-K-S. Corner blocks.
Bricklayer tools help make sure buildings and walls are strong, straight, and safe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.